years old. I'm the co-founder of tennissyndicate.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you've not done yet. So, in the before video, if you must have seen, then I was not able to convert a function into a lambda because it was getting an error, right? So actually, I thought it was no, it was getting an error because it was not getting the an indentation. But I then got to know that it doesn't matter about the indentation. Sometime it comes, sometime it doesn't. So I'm here today to solve the problem that converting functions into lambda and how to and Python arrays. So, without any delay, let's get started. La 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 la. Oops. Okay, that's enough, I guess. By the way, oh no, I'll tell it. No, maybe I should tell it right now. Hmm. Should I tell it right now? Or should I tell it at the end of the video? Let me tell it now. Anyways, guys, before we start, I'm going to say wish you all a very happy Diwali and a very happy Diwali in advance and happy Choti Diwali. So tomorrow I will be posting a video in which I will be learning a song and will be share and I will be teaching how to play that song and all that. So guys, do see my tomorrow's video as well. So let me now minimize my screen. Better. Now I'd already made the function. So I have oops, there's a sorry. Come on, load. Wasn't that cool? Ooh, ooh, ooh. So what is it? It's getting 15, 25, and 45. We had done this in the functions when we were doing that. Over here we are creating a function, we are giving the x as the parameter, we are saying return 5 multiplied by x. So whatever values are here are the values of x. So in the first go, 5 multiplied by 3 it is, so 15, then 5 multiplied by 5, 25, then 5 multiplied by 9, 45. Now let's see how can we create this in a lambda. Let me just comment this until here. Great. So let me just see that it is commented right. Ah, woo! Isn't this cool? The mouse cursor gets so big. Look. Ah, that was so big. See, so we have commented. Now, how will we create in the lambda? Now, why should I comment this? I'll just convert it from function right now only. Right. So, if we want to create it into a lambda, we don't need the def and we can give x is equal to, and we don't need to give the function name. We are going to say lambda, right? Lambda, and what would we do? X is equals to lambda. Yeah, we will give here a. Okay, a and the colon, and we're gonna say a multiply by 5. So print why am I giving print my function here? Let me give this instead x over here, then X over here, then X over here. So it should come 5 multiplied by 3, 15, then 5 multiplied by 5, 25, and 5 multiplied by 9, 45. And it came! Yay! So guys, we have done our, our Python converting function into lambda. I hope you understood. If you didn't, just write in the comment down below so that I'll tell you again. Try to solve it in the comments, or I will make a new video on it. Oops, yeah, I opened correct. Now Python arrays. I want to show you a line. See, what is it saying? Python arrays. Note, Python does not have a built-in supports of arrays, but Python lists can be used instead. So it means that arrays and lists are the same. They have the same function, because if we scroll, then all in that. So the function and all that. So all the functions and all everything is the same of list. So I will share my list video, the link of my list video in the comments in the description down below, so that you can see my list video, and that would you can understand it as arrays also or list also, because arrays and lists are quite the same thing, right? So guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Dab.